I'm Brian Bass. This is my ASU end story. It took me 20-something years to come back to school and thought, well, I'm beyond that now, and it's not. I was raised around this area. My goal was to find some kind of architectural design in landscaping, and then I went to Hot Springs, Arkansas, and worked for Garvin Woodland Gardens. I came here to take care of my 104-year-old grandmother, and through that, she found me a job a couple of weeks after I'd moved back here to help her and my mother. And it was just a small job at a small herb farm in Paragould. And being an older gentleman, the landscape industry is not my thing anymore. I'm getting to where I can't lift as much, and I thought, well, this would be an opportunity. I can work in the mornings and then have 2 days where I work full time, and then weekends are optional. So it's very flexible, very doable for someone in young or old. Machining is a set of skills that you learn to cut, face, drill, contour parts in a setting that is using a simplified code that a machine understands, creating a part for anyone who needs, like a part for a car, for a gun, for aeronautics designs, anything of that nature. For anyone who may have a second thought, well, I just don't have the time. That's not true. I didn't have the time, and I absolutely say jump in with both feet. Do not hesitate a second guess from your heart. I'm absolutely elated that I did this. It has changed my life, absolutely. I'm Brian Bass, and that was my ASU end story.